Good morning. I'm a state certified driving instructor. Today we're going to be talking about 8 tips for teens and first-time drivers. Let's go ahead and get it. Number 1, you need to accelerate slowly. I tell my students to wear a thin sole shoe. You don't want Timberlands, you don't want old Nikes that are really thick. Have a thin soled comfortable shoe. Number 2, hold the steering wheel nice and steady. A lot of beginning drivers drift to the right or drift to the left. If you oversteer, you're going to go over the curb. If you understeer, you're going to hit something. So you want to be balanced. Next, you want to brake gently. If you're going to slam the brake, you're going to end up getting rear-ended. I can't tell you how many times beginning drivers slam the brake and we almost get rear-ended. This is dangerous for me as an instructor and for you as a student. Next, you want to maintain good speed control. Typically, beginning drivers drive 5 to 7 under the limit. Underspeed driving is just as dangerous as high-speed driving. So you want to learn to develop good speed control. You want to follow at a safe, reasonable distance. And if you watch my content, and you have, you need to keep a safe, adequate following distance. How do you find your following distance? You pick a stationary object. Once the car passes it, you count 1001, 1002, 1003. Then when your car passes it, you have it. Next, you want to be aware of road signs. You get very overloaded from being a first-time driver. What is the speed limit? What does the double yellow line mean? What does the white line mean? That is the edge line on the road. We're talking about driving in North America. What does the yellow line mean? That is always on the left. You want to choose your lane carefully. A lot of beginning drivers look over the wrong shoulder. If I'm telling them to make a lane change to the right, they look over the left shoulder. And opposite. So it's really important that you take a deep breath. And then you want to communicate effectively. I'm very passionate about driving. I hope this was helpful to you. If it is, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. I have more great content coming. Thank you.